Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you? Very good. You all have to say, I am fine. Thank you. Okay. So, kids, let's start the class. So, we start the class with welcome song. है ना? So, let's start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. So, kids, let's start singing fruit salad. Okay? Let's start singing fruit salad. And Natik, Priyan, Divyanshi, and Dishan, switch on the camera. Come on. Chalo, let's start. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, custard apple, custard apple, pineapple, pineapple, guava, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay, so kids, after fruits, what comes after fruits? Vegetables. Chalo, let's start. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables. All right, come on, one more time. Read. Why are you not doing read? Let's start. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables. All right, kids. Very good. Now, whose turn is today to sing fruit salad? Reet. Reet, you unmute. Unmute yourself. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good morning, beta.
जोर से बोलना उधर मैम को देख के बोल।
So, Reet, आप हमें fruit salad सुनाओगे? Do you sing the fruit salad song? चलो, come on, sing.
बोलो watermelon. बोल जल्दी बता जिससे कल मम्मा को सुनाई थी जल्दी सुनो।
Come on, be a good girl. बोलो. Very good. चीकू चीकू.
बोलो ना. शर्म क्या आ रही है गुड्डू?
Reet.
जल्दी का गंदी बात.
चलो, come on fast.
मैम स्कूल ले जाएगी. चीकू 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 मैम को देखो
फ्रूट सैलेड।
सीधी वो मारूंगी फिर मम्मा मारेगी देख।
फिर
आगे बोलो।
कस्टर्ड एप्पल। बोलो।
पाइनएप्पल फ्रूट
गुआवा गुआवा गुआवा। कम ऑन बेटा। फ्रूट
अच्छा सीधी बैठ पहले
सैलेड।
तो।
ऑल राइट, ओके रीत, गुड। Okay. Chalo. Now everyone stand up for warm-up exercises. Come on, come on, come on, everyone. We'll do some warm-up exercises and then we'll feel more energetic. Come on. I don't want to say everyone's name. Dishan, Elena, Reet, stand up everyone. And one more thing, I notice many times parents do not give them something to eat in between the class. ठीक है, उनको ब्रेकफास्ट कराना है तो आप पहले कराइए क्लास के, नॉट इन द मिडल ऑफ द क्लास, और व्हेन यू विल गेट द स्क्रीन ब्रेक दैट टाइम यू गिव. ठीक है, चलो स्टैंड अप एवरीवन. सो स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स एंड क्लैप क्लैप. Manan, clap 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 clap. Now wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle your fingers. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Now fast. All right. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आप अपनी कमर पे रखो. And then jump, 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 jump. Very good. Now stretch your arms like this and move your wrist. Move your wrist. Move your wrist. Good. Now raise your hands higher again and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on. Your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Very good. One more time. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. चलो नाउ अब हम रनिंग करेंगे. कम ऑन अपनी प्लेस पर. चलो जल्दी जल्दी. रन 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 रन. वेरी गुड. वेरी वेरी गुड. वेरी नाइस. वेल डन. चलो sit down now. Sit everyone. Okay. So kids, now let's talk about the day and the date. So today the date is 5th August 2021 and the day is Thursday. What is the day today? Thursday. Say everyone, what is the day today? Today is Thursday. Okay. Now you tell me how many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? How many days? Yes, Roseanne, you can go. Go, beta. Yes, very good, Vinay. There are, and Tushant, you too, very good. 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Chalo, say together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday. Sunday is the holiday. Okay. Chalo. Now, chalo kids, now we'll sing the ABC song together. ABC song पढ़े हम साथ में? चलो, let's start. Start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to school. I will teach you ABC. Chalo, one more time. One more time we'll sing. Let's start again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to school. I will teach you ABC. All right. Chalo. Now, kids, let's start our work. So today we are going to do the maths work first. है ना? So come on, get your mathematics copy. Yes, ma'am. Unmute. Naitik and Divija, switch on the camera. Come on. So what we are going to do? Max. So come on, get your mathematics copy. So kids, yesterday we had written the number 2. So today also we are going to write down number 2. But before that, everyone pay attention. We revise the numbers first, है ना? Then we come back to the writing part. पहले हमने जहां तक numbers करे number 6 तक, we'll revise it. Then we'll come back to the written part. चलो, say with ma'am. Which number is this? 1. Which number is this? This is number 1. 1 ball. 1. Yes, count on your fingers. This is number 1. Then, after 1, 2. Which number is this? This is number 2. This is number 2. 2 stars. Then 3. So, which number is this? This is number 3. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 balloons. Number 3. Say with ma'am. Then, which number is this? Which number is this, bacho? This is number 4. Come on, count on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. 4 kites. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, number 5. 5. How many fingers are there in our one hand? हमारे एक हाथ में कितनी fingers हैं? There are 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number is this? This is number 5. 5 candies. And what comes after 5? Chalo, count it, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Which number is this? This is number 6. This is number 6. 6 flowers. Six flowers. This is number 6. So count on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. Okay. So till here we had done the numbers. Chalo. Now back to our writing part. So as I told you, today also we are going to write down number 2. Okay. Chalo, come on, get your copy. 2. Curve, slanting line, and sleeping line. This is number 2. Number 2. 2 balls. 2 stars. 2 balloons. This is number 2. Say and write. Which number is this? This is number 2. 2. Curve, slanting line, and sleeping line. Number 2. 1 curve, slanting line, and sleeping line. Number 2. आपको एक कर्व बनाना है, then slanting line, sleeping line. Number 2. Which number is this? This is number 2. Which number is this? This is number 2. So you all have to write number 2. First of all, trace it in your copy and then write. Get your literacy workbook. Get your literacy workbook, the classwork in literacy workbook. Okay, so I am writing the name of the book and the page number in the chat box. In case of any problem, you kindly see there. So your literacy workbook, page number 4444. Slanting lines. Which line we are going to do? Slanting lines. I had written the page number and the book name in the chat box. चलो. So what are slanting lines? हमने standing line पढ़ी, हमने sleeping line पढ़ी. Yes, हमने slanting lines भी करी थी. What are slanting lines? Slanting lines मतलब टेढ़ी lines. Slanting lines. Like this. Look, The position of the pencil is slant in the pencil is in slanting position. Look, है ना? अच्छा, whenever we go to a garden, अगर अभी कभी हम गार्डन जाते हैं, वहां पर स्लाइड्स होती हैं, जो स्लाइड्स की पोजीशन क्या होती है? स्लांटिंग. दे आर स्लांटिंग इन पोजीशन, है ना? When we go to garden and we go to slide, हम ऐसे स्लाइड करते हैं, तो स्लाइड की पोजीशन क्या होती है? They are slanting in position. So this pencil is also slanting in position. This is slanting line. Look, this is a slide of the garden. And what is the position of the slide? Slanting. है ना? Whenever we go to slide, it's slanting in position. Slanting line. टेढ़ी line. Look. This is slanting line. The rain comes in slanting position many times. Look. Slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. The line which looks slanting in position is known as slanting line. Slanting line मतलब टेढ़ी line. देखो, the slide is in slanting position. The rain comes in slanting position many times. This is slanting line. So on page number 444, you have to overwrite the slanting lines. Okay, kids, the meeting is about to get over in less than 1 minute. So if it gets over in between, so kindly assume it is a screen break. Okay? Slanting lines. What we are doing? We are doing slanting lines. These are slanting lines. The position of the slide is slanting. The rain comes in slanting position sometimes. Slanting line. Look, this is standing line, sleeping line, and slanting line. The position of the pencil is slant.